Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Today's video is what I eat to fuel my workouts on a plant-based diet. So I'm going to be showing you exactly what I ate on this day. I have a few clips from my workout on the day as well. This was some strength training I did in my garage and did this workout at around noon time. And I've been doing strength training twice a week, full body. I keep it real simple lately. I've been doing a pull, push, and a leg in 2 rounds. So I just did a total of 6 sets. And I do max reps, max effort on each set. So I've been doing that twice a week. I've been running twice a week. And then I'm going to show you here what I ate. Now keep in mind, what I ate on this day, this is just one example. I have a lot of what I eat in a day videos, so I do eat other foods as well. On this example here, I went out to dinner, so I had something kind of different, and here's what I had for the day. Started off at 2 p.m. with a half of a small watermelon, and it was extremely delicious, and my dog Blackberry loves watermelon, so she's licking her chops, ready to have some. Good way to start it off, nice and hydrating, and just about 10 minutes after that I was still hungry, so I had a peach and a large bowl of fresh blueberries. Been getting really good blueberries here in Oregon. Then next up at 4 p.m. I made oatmeal. This had an apple, had pecans, cinnamon, cacao powder, and almond milk. Really good combination. So I love oatmeal, and I make a lot of different combinations. That's what I had on this day. And then for dinner, I started off, it was around 7 p.m. I had an apple, and then I went out to dinner and I got a green salad. I had potato salad. I ordered a Coke and I had some chips and I had a very different sandwich. This was a vegan Reuben beet pastrami sandwich. So it was like a Reuben pastrami sandwich made with beets, and I will say that it was not good, but I ate it anyway because I was hungry. So kind of a different meal, something different than what I normally have for that sandwich for dinner, but that was it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. And give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe for more videos. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.